For today's Mitigation Minute, we're going to discuss containment structures. Containment structures are used to help keep your surfacing material where it belongs in the playground area. There are many types of containment structures. The three most common that we see are plastic, wood, or concrete. There are a few items you should check for each one. If you have plastic containment structures, you want to inspect to make sure it is not cracked in places and does not have any holes. You should also make sure the spikes used to secure it are flush with the plastic and not sticking up. If you are using wood or railroad ties, make sure the wood does not have any creosote in it. You should also be making sure the wood is not splintered or decaying. The last thing to check is to make sure that the logs are tight against one another with no gaps between them except at the playground entrances. And finally, if you are using concrete, you should be looking for any cracks or worn spots that can lead to tripping hazards. We appreciate you taking the time to watch our video. If you have any additional questions regarding containment structures, please reach out to the Risk Management Department.